Hey beautiful healthy drink lovers, today I got a special treat for you. A refreshing and delicious drink called the Golden Apple Delight. Perfect for hot days and sure to be a hit at any gathering. For this easy to make recipe, you will need just a few ingredients. Golden apples, water, sugar, and essence. Chop the golden apple up into smaller pieces and add them to the blender. This was done beforehand, so here's how it should look. Next, pour in 6 cups of water. This will help to extract all the wonderful golden apple flavor. Then blend until nice and smooth. Strain to remove the golden apple pulp. Repeat this step. Blend the remaining pulp a second time and then strain. Now add 1 cup of sugar to the strained liquid. Stir until the sugar is completely dissolved. Add 2 teaspoons vanilla essence. This adds a delightful aroma and enhances the flavor of the drink. I am straining a 3rd time, which is an optional step, to ensure the liquid is pulp-free. Finally, add 2 cups water to reduce the strength of the golden apple flavor. And there you have it, the delicious Golden Apple Delight. Serve it over ice and enjoy this refreshing homemade drink with your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious drinks. Cheers!